Meet Mary. Mary works in a factory and is about to have her first child. Mary could claim employment insurance maternity benefits up to 12 weeks before her due date. When baby Jacob is born, Mary and her partner Alex could choose to receive 61 weeks of extended parental benefits before returning to work. They also begin to receive the Canada Child Benefit to help with the cost of raising their child. As Jacob grows and becomes interested in activities such as soccer, Mary and Alex are able to pay the fees with their ongoing Canada Child Benefit. When Mary goes back to work, she and Alex look into renting a new apartment for their growing family. They hear that new rental housing may be built near Jacob's daycare because of the Affordable Rental Innovation Fund. When Mary's father Carl has a stroke and needs care during his recovery, Mary is eligible for the Family Caregiver benefit for adults and could take up to 15 weeks off work. By the time Jacob is ready for daycare, Mary and her partner will have access to affordable, high-quality, flexible, and fully inclusive childcare made possible by investments in early learning and childcare. When Mary is ready to retire at 65 years old, she can apply for and receive the Enhanced Canada Pension Plan Retirement Pension. She will also receive a letter reminding her to apply for the Old Age Security Pension or to inform her that she was selected for automatic enrollment. Find out more. Visit our website.